Hey, it's Van the Mortgage Man. In this segment, I want to talk about loan terms. 30, 20, 15-year terms. You may have heard those things, but by and large, everybody goes with the 30-year loan. At least that's what it seems like. That's actually not the case. In a lot of markets, a lot of times, I see buyers moving down to 20 and 15-year terms, even to 10-year terms. And just a few years ago, that was really, really common. So I want to talk about why take a 30-year versus, say, a 10 or 15-year term. So 30-year terms basically means you're paying off the loan over a longer period of time. When rates are elevated, it often makes sense to do that just to keep your payments as low as possible. And certainly in this period of low affordability, high prices, high interest rates, that's sort of a primary concern of first-time homebuyers and others. However, over long periods of time, rates go down and markets change. And so what we do see is that when people refinance, because rates have dropped, they often move into a shorter term loan. This happens for a couple of reasons. First of all, because the rates are lower, it becomes more affordable to pay off a loan faster. But also over time, folks' incomes rise, right? So, at the time you're buying a house, everything might look static and, tough to afford, but over periods of time, your income invariably will rise and hopefully interest rates will drop, and that'll put you in a position where you could afford a much lower term for your loan, and so you can pay it off faster and generate the wealth from it much more quickly and aggressively. So these are things to think about, not necessarily something you need to worry about in the short term, but just sort of consider that buying a home is not a commitment to one payment and one interest rate and one term for the life of the loan. Hardly is the case. I've been in this business for 20 years and seen folks refinance 5, 6 times on the same house. Why? Because interest rates drop over time and it results in people refinancing, okay? Anyway, think about those things. We'll talk about it when the time comes for you to reconsider your loans. Again, thanks for listening. Look forward to working with you.